So what happens if you overprice your home? And how to fix it fast. Hi, I'm Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're going to talk about something that sounds harmless but can secretly cost you thousands. Overpricing your home. Now, before you say, well, I just want to leave a little room to negotiate, stay with me until the end because I'm going to share the number one mistake sellers make that causes their home to sit and how to fix it quickly. Plus a little insider tip most agents won't tell you. The let's try it high strategy backfires. I get it. You love your home. You made memories here. You've upgraded things, painted, planted, maybe even survived a Florida summer AC bill or two. So naturally, you want top dollar. But here's the truth. The market doesn't price your home. Buyers do. And buyers today, they are savvy. They are scrolling, comparing, analyzing, probably with 12 tabs open and a cup of coffee, judging your listing like it's a reality show. So what really happens when you overprice? You scare away the right buyers. When your home is priced too high, it doesn't even show up in the right search results. Buyers searching at $300,000 won't even see your home listed at $325,000, even if you'd gladly accept $3,000 later. So guess what? The buyers who would have loved your home never even see it. Your listing gets stale the first 2 weeks on the market. That's your spotlight moment. That's when buyers are most excited. Agents are showing it. Online traffic is highest. If it's overpriced, buyers scroll right past it. And then it sits and sits. And now buyers are starting to wonder, what's wrong with it? Spoiler, nothing might be wrong, except the price. Next, we have price reductions. Starts raising eyebrows. So now you drop the price. Then maybe again and again. Buyers start thinking, are they desperate? Is something wrong? Let me lowball this. Instead of attracting strong offers, you attract bargain hunters. You can actually sell for less. Here's the kicker. Homes that start overpriced often end up selling for less than if they were priced correctly from day one. Why? Because you missed your peak exposure. Buyers lost urgency. Negotiation power shifted away from you. The SMART strategy, aka how we win this game. This is where I come in. When I help you sell your home, we don't guess, we strategize. Strategic pricing, not emotional pricing. We look at recent comparable sales, active competition, buyer demand in your area. The goal is to create interest and urgency. Step 2, make your home shine online. Because let's be honest, your home is competing with every other listing, plus Netflix, plus TikTok. So we use professional photography with aerials. We highlight your best features. We create scroll-stopping listings. And number 3, we launch strong. First 2 weeks matters. We don't test the market. We hit the market running. That's how you get more showings, stronger offers, better negotiating power. And number 4, we adjust quickly if needed. If the market gives us feedback, we listen fast, not 30 days later. Let's be honest, if your home isn't getting showings, offers, or even clicks, it's usually price, presentation, or both. And the good news, that's fixable. Want your home sold, not just listed? I would love to help you price your home accordingly, market it like a pro, and get it sold without all the stress. Call or text anytime, 321-480-7662. You can start searching at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. You can watch some home tours and some tips right here on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. You can send me an email at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. So your stay till the end tip, here it is. Here's the insider tip I promised. The best offers usually come in the first 7 to 14 days, if priced correctly. Miss that window, and you're playing catch up. So even if you're thinking about selling, let's chat before you price it. Because pricing it right the first time, that's where the magic and the money happens. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, signing off, and probably checking new listings before dinner. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.